In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a table in Canva. I'll share 2 easy methods to do it, plus how to format the table to fit your needs. So let's start with the first method. It's quick and simple. Once you're in your design, press the / on your keyboard and the magic shortcuts menu will open. Now, in the search bar, just type table and click Add Table. Choose your table size by selecting the number of columns and rows. Let's go with a 4x4 table. And there you have it. Your table is ready. You can resize it as needed. Now for the second method, the template-based approach, which is the most common. Go to Elements, search for Table, and click See All. You'll find a variety of table styles to choose from. For example, I'll pick this one. Now that you know how to add tables in Canva, let's move on to adjusting and formatting them. You can resize the table and even rotate it. To access more options, right-click on the table to open the table menu. Here you'll find options to align the table to the page, adjust column or row sizing, move rows up and down or columns left and right, add or delete rows and columns. Bonus tip: you don't always need the menu to add a column or row. Just hover near the column line and a plus sign will appear. Click it, and a new column is added. The same works for rows. To merge cells, hold Shift, select the cells, right-click, and choose Merge Cells. Done. For formatting, select the table and go to the top menu. Here, you can change the color of the entire table or individual cells, adjust border styles, including all borders, outer borders, and inner borders, customize the border color, style, and thickness. Use the table spacing option to increase spacing between cells. And that's it. Now you know how to add, format, and customize tables in Canva. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to my channel, comment I subscribed so I can personally thank you. Thanks for watching, and take care.